Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo LURR, kembali lagi di channel Hakim Ahmad. Bagaimana kabar Anda semua? Saya selalu doakan semoga Anda semua baik-baik saja. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, di video kali ini kita akan sama-sama melihat kompilasi reaksi dari reaktor atau musisi luar negeri yang mereaksi penyanyi asal Indonesia, yaitu CAKRA. Ya, dan jika Anda ingin melihat video originalnya, silahkan cek saja linknya, sudah saya sertakan di kolom deskripsi. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama, mari kita langsung gas ke videonya.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm finally here with something that has been very requested by you guys, which is CAKRA or CAKRA. I'm not sure how to say his name. Let me know in the comments down below, please. Cover of Tennessee Whiskey. So without
today, I'm going to react to CAKRA. This is my first reaction actually to this singer and singing Tennessee Whiskey, and I'm so excited to hear their voice today because it's new for me, and I would like to share with you, my friends, my feelings and opinion while listening to this song, maybe some analysis details. And
today we're going to be taking a look at CAKRA singing Tennessee Whiskey. Let's see what he's up to with his vocal technique.
Listen, never let your glass empty, ever.
cute. I love it when they can have fun for live sessions.
Used to spend my nights out in a ballroom.
Oh, he's toad.
Liquor was the only love I know. But when you rescue me from reaching for the bottom and drown me back from being too far gone.
oh my god, he is wonderful. I love this flexibility. I love this flat sounds and then quickly change it to his soup tone, cloudy sounds, and then so soft releasing this sound with the end. It sounds so tasty. Keep watching.
You're smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I stay strong on your love all the time.
This is a workout. This is just so incredible. Absolutely wonderful quality to his voice, isn't it? Absolutely cool. But let's keep enjoying because, dude, marry me. Marry that girl.
And I look for love in all the simple places. For the bottom of a bottle always dry.
Wow, his voice is so smooth.
But when you pour out your heart, I didn't waste it. No, I won't. Yes, 'cause there's nothing like your love to get me high.
Woo!
It's Tennessee whiskey.
Wow, his voice.
You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy.
The way he runs down.
Honey, I pegang kamera Yaya dan Made yang begitu.
Yeah, you see how he is singing now this line. Jar the spoon. Then open sound, then closed. Yeah, it's kind of combination all the time of different ways of singing, right? Really open, really clear. So opened way for the voice. And then quickly, just for one sound, he's closing the throat and closing the mouth just to create this tight sound. Okay, he's really positive person. I love this atmosphere in his company.
One more time.
So good. That was so satisfying.
What are we gonna do?
Oke lur, itulah reaksi dari para musisi atau reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi cakrakan. Ya, terlihat semuanya sangat terkesima, terpukau, dan tentunya shock ya dengan suara serak yang dimiliki oleh cakrakan. Oke, mungkin seperti itu aja untuk video hari ini. Semoga bisa memberikan hiburan dan manfaat untuk Anda semua lur. Oke, saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ajak lalen ngopi ya. Yes.